Oh, I think I'm live. Hey guys, so today, okay, wait, I think I'm live. So today, guys, we are going to make a new game with Toby. Hey, Toby, say hi.
Booty Monkey.
Yeah. If you don't know, Toby was the director for Spooky Monkey, and he's also gonna be the director for this game. I wanted to make this game because I thought it would be fun and stuff. So we wanted to make a liminal space or like weird core game where you have to like go through levels. I don't think it'll be a horror game because I'm kind of bored of making horror games. But you'll do like puzzles and platforms and stuff, and your goal is to make it to Glaggle at the end. So we already have a fire idea, right, Toby?
Booty Monkey Wire.
Yeah. So in the game you get to be a Glaggle guy, and your goal is to go through the levels, and then make it to Glaggle at the end. All right. But there could also be like other paths of levels that could get you other endings. So we have a pretty good idea. It's gonna be like a liminal space or like dream core game. Okay, wait. I'm going to. I just stopped. Hey, wait. I need to switch it to display capture. All right. So now I'm gonna share my screen so I can show you guys Unity. Alright, so I haven't even created a project, so let's do that. Wait, I'm gonna check the chat. I'm gonna post a video on Hound and Pound 2. Oh, that's cool. I'll definitely see it. Okay, wait, you guys should be able to see it. Anyways, we have Unity Hub. I'm gonna create a new project. I like to use this version. So today we are going to, well, we're definitely gonna set up VR settings. What else? Probably a photon and maybe make some maps and other stuff. I'm not sure. Let's make Glaggle Land. Alright, this should be the correct thing. Now I just need to create it. Skibbity toilet. Ugh. Okay, anyways. Unity is now booting up. So here, wait, I'm gonna switch us, wait. No. Here, you can see this while it waits. I need to open up a tutorial. Now, I think I could probably do this without following a tutorial for the movement. But recently, Be Awesome, who makes all these like tutorials, you should check out his channel. He's very good for making like tutorials. He recently made a remake tutorial.
Hi guys, in today's video I'll be
Here,
teaching
I'm
you
gonna
how
make it so you guys can't hear it. Oh wait, so now Unity's opened up Glaggle Land. Let me zoom out. Okay, here we go, something like this. Why is it already giving me errors? We haven't even put anything in our game and we're already getting errors. I don't care. Okay, so, here, wait. Oh, hi. Alright, so, why does it say error? Okay, so, I guess we should start off by just setting up the movement. I've done this a bunch of times and I'll probably do it in 10 minutes. Oh wait, Toby, do you want to say something? Toby's here as well if you didn't know.
Unity make Booty Monkey.
Yeah, Unity makes Spooky Monkey. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Okay, wait. Okay, you know what? I think I'm just gonna follow the normal tutorial actually. Okay, so I think I need to go to edit, project settings, XR plugin management, install that. Oh wait, I don't think you guys can see it. Let me fix that. Let me switch it to display capture so you can see it better on everything that's going on. Alright, so go to Android. Here. I have a tutorial here. There you go. Okay, wait. Let me install that. The starting bit, it's like a lot of installing stuff. There's CChat. I'm sick right now. Oh, it sucks. I hate it when I get sick because then I get like a clogged nose. What is it? I don't know why clogged noses are like the worst part about being sick. Okay, it's restarting Glagoland. Okay, click this, edit. Oculus Touch controller profile, and then Valve Index controller profile here. I've done this a bunch. Multipass in here, multipass. Okay, wait, let me go back to the tutorial. I'm gonna save real quick. Okay, here. Hope that's the right thing I'm supposed to click. Oh yeah, I made a tutorial, but I don't know if I'm gonna finish editing it because they already made like a new tutorial, so I don't know if there's a point in me making one. Okay, multi-view, multi-pass, overhead mode. I think that's it. Oh yeah, target devices, turn all these on. Okay, wait. More settings stuff. Okay. Well, let's check chat. Yeah, still nothing. Okay, wait. Window, package manager. Dot unity dot xr dot interact and tool dot toolkit and let that install. After we set up all these like settings and stuff, it should be we should just add the player and then we actually get to do fun stuff. And Toby's gonna test it in VR. Hey Toby, are you excited for this game?
And we booty mucky.
Okay, so I need to go back here. Start plugin management. That's not it. XR toolkit starter assets. Import. I think we're almost already done. I've done this so much that it's like super fast to do. I think I think I was trying to make like paper game. And what is it? Presets here. I was making paper game or doodles, and I made the movement, like I set it up all these settings like 3 times, and for some reason it just wouldn't run in VR. And then I found out that for some reason, like I forgot what it was called, AirLink, which lets you like you connect to your MetaQuest to VR or your computer, just straight up wouldn't work for some reason. So I had to use Steam Link instead. And that worked perfectly fine. Anyways, now I just need to go back here. Preset manager. Right. Left. And I'm pretty sure I'm done with all those settings. Yeah, we're already done with all of that. I'm gonna save. Now I need to import the Gorilla Rig, which is like our player. Let me search it up. Gorilla Locomotion. Here we go. You just drag this in. Good doink. Make sure to import all of it. Import. Reload. Okay, here we go. Resources, prefab. Yeah, look. We now have our player. These 2 balls are hands. Okay, we don't need to worry about that now. First, real quick, I'm gonna do some more settings real quick for building it, so I can just get that out of the way. Okay, let me finish. Okay, you know what? We don't need to worry about that, actually. Shoot, wait, I actually just closed out of YouTube. Give me a second, I need to open it back up. Why is my internet so slow? Okay, wait. I'm gonna turn this off real quick. Why YouTube just straight up won't load? Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, now it's working. Let me switch it back to here, Unity. So we just get, now here's a fun part. We get to put in our player. Yeah, look at that. Okay, then I'm gonna add cube. And then just be a platform. I already like that. We basically have a Gorilla Tag fan game. I remember when I was before I made my first Gorilla Tag fan game, I really wanted to make one, but I thought it'd be super complicated. But it literally takes like 10 minutes to set up all this VR stuff and the, locomotion. Even multiplayer is really easy to add. It only takes like 5 minutes. Anyways, Toby, you get to test it out.
Right now?
Yeah, okay, wait. I'm gonna Be right back. I need to go get my VR so Toby can go in game. Alright, I'm back. Toby's in VR. I'm about to start it, but first I want to make like double walls. Real quickly. Do that. Yeah, something like this. Okay, there we go. So now Toby will be loaded into VR. Is it working good, Toby? Oh, it's laggy? That's normal. Does the movement work good and stuff? Okay, like everything feels... Okay. Oh, Toby in wall jump. Go, Toby. Oh! Oh! He did it!
Almost bought down a wagging it.
Here, should I try testing it out, Toby? Okay, Toby wants to play test it a bit. He says it's really laggy. It probably is, but that's normal. Okay. Is it better now? Alright, should we be done testing, Toby? Okay, I'm gonna zoom this in a bit. Look at Toby. Toby, don't jump off. Yeah, we need to make our player. To do that, first we need to add multiplayer. Okay, should we be done testing, Toby? Okay, you can just take off the VR. Alright, it's giving us a bunch of errors. That's normal. It's just an issue with Unity itself. Okay, so... Here, Toby, I don't think they were able to hear you because you were in VR. What did you think of the, testing? It's good. Okay. Wait, let me exit out of Steam VR. Okay, so... I guess next we should do is Photon. I don't want to show too much of this. I want to do photon, but it's pretty boring for viewers because I'm gonna have to hide everything. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do photon, but I'm gonna have to like make it so you can only see, like, you can't see this area. Okay, so you can only see like here. I want to show everything else, but like I physically can't without having to leak everything. Alright, let me find the photon tutorial. Okay, wait. Ooh. No, this isn't. Wait. For some reason, it's logged out. Wait. Okay, I'm sending back in. Yeah, it was logged out of photon for me. Why can't we see that area? Oh, while making the game, I have to set up photon servers and stuff, and it shows an app ID, which basically is your photon servers. And if I show that, people could hack the game. Now it could be easily replaced, I'm pretty sure. And I just set up a new thing, and nothing bad will happen. But I still don't want to show it. Okay, wait. Open in Unity. You probably won't see much for like the next 5 to 10 minutes because I have to add this import. Here, wait. Yeah, you guys will only be able to see that for a bit. After like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, I should just be able to show you everything else since I won't spoil my app ID. Okay, I'm right now installing Photon Pun 2, which is the what is it, for multiplayer, but voice chat wouldn't work, so I need to also install voice chat pun or Photon voice chat. Okay, exit this. Okay, Photon pun gave me a little error. Okay, wait. Let's see if you guys can see this. No, you can't. Okay, so I should be good. So I'm gonna go to Photon dashboard so I can create a server. Oh yeah, by the way, just to let you all know, Photon's completely free, and it's very, very good for creating Gorilla Tech fan games. The only other option is only other option is Normcore, and that one kind of sucks. Okay, dashboard. Here we go. I need to create some Photon app IDs. I need to create one for voice and pun. I'm just gonna call it Glaggle. Description, that doesn't matter. Pun. Create. Then I need to create a voice one. Also called Glaggle. Create. Okay, now I need to find it. Okay, then I paste this in. Set up project. Close. Okay, now I need to install Photon Voice. Import. Oh, skyboxes too? Okay. I accidentally clicked the wrong thing. Anyways, I'm now adding skyboxes. Here, wait, let's see if anyone said anything. Okay, wait, I'm gonna switch to skybox so you actually at least have something to watch. Why is Photon Voice taking so long? Might be taking a while to install because I'm streaming. Okay, it's done. Let's see if it gave us a bunch of errors. Nope. I don't care about that. Anyways, environment default skybox. Sky. Yeah, this is a pretty liminal space looking skybox for like outdoors. I like pink. I like pink and purple. Purple's my favorite color, but purple and pink mixed together. Anyways, now I need to add in the Photon Manager, which basically connects everything together. Okay, wait. You know what? I'll unmute the video so you guys can hear it so it's a little more interesting. So you kind of know what I'm doing.
Game. That's all that's required. Then just the name of your game. Do control and go to the other link in the description. It'll take you to and then wait for it to do this. Then once that's imported, just click the X here. For some reason, the normal folder is still here, so let me just quickly delete that. Then you want to go to the next link in the description, which is the Photon.
Okay, so now I need to import Photon VR, which will actually make the things work because we have servers but not actual player. Okay, Photon VR. What? Why isn't it here? Okay, you know, we're just gonna download.
But pretty much.
I accidentally. Anyways, we are just gonna download a new version. We're gonna download another Photon. Okay, Photon VR. I'm gonna download it again. Releases. Photon 0.05. This is like the best one. Okay, we just installed it again. I don't know why I wasn't popping up in File Explorer. I'm just gonna put this in. Import. This is like the last thing we need to import. So scripts. Yeah, these files might be fine. I don't know what that is. Anyways, I don't care. Hey, no errors. Okay, that's at least a good sign. Resources, Photon VR, prefabs, doink, doink, doink. Okay, then there's another thing I can't show. I'm now going to put in all of my voice and stuff IDs. After this, I'm pretty sure I can show it. Glaggle, here we go. Okay, set the region to US. Main camera. I need to make sure that's the right thing. Main camera. Left hand. Right hand. Limit. I'm going to set that to 10 so it doesn't lag out. I think I can show you guys everything. I'm just gonna quickly check the tutorial. Pretty sure that's the last step.
Let's focus to the head, left hand controller to left. If you're following his, made a tutorial on how to use my other tutorial.
Okay, yeah, we're done. We are done with the photon. I now show you everything. Okay, wait. Yeah, wait. Alright, so if we start it, it should, we should have a player. Here we go. Oh. Sure, import. You know, never mind. Okay, wait. Look, we have a player. I'm pretty sure it's working then. This is the default photon player. Anyways, I already made a player model. Oh shoot, wait, I accidentally closed out of YouTube. Wait. Anyways, we already made a player model, but I forgot to tell you guys. I'm making this game, I'm gonna make it so everyone can create models, scripts, or ideas. Kind of like Paper Game, but more, I guess. So guys, give me ideas. I don't know, make models, scripts, stuff like that. I already made a model, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Import. We also need to make it so we have text. I'm gonna just make a player model. Here we go, import. So here's our default player. I already made a player model where you're Glaggle. It's really basic, but I don't care. Here, I need to find our face texture. Here's Glaggle. Why aren't you yellow? Where is your color? I don't know why he doesn't have colors. Or where his materials are. Shaded. Where's his material? We really have to create new materials for you? Here we go. Okay, you know, I guess we have to create new materials for him because he's being kind of dookie right now. You know, that's fine. Let's create a material. Yellow. Make this yellow. I think we're gonna add color changing. Hey Toby, do you wanna add color changing? Okay, we have to add it. I'm pretty sure it'll work. Okay, you know what, maybe we're supposed to turn all that down. Okay, we have a solid yellow. What? No, I don't want that. Copy and paste this. Make this black. Where's outline? The outline actually looks really cool. Now this player model is literally just a sphere and hands with a face. So we don't have to do any like bone rigging and stuff. Anyways, I need to no, I should probably move this into assets. Okay, here we go. We need to take this. Okay, so now he has a face, but it's not really facing. I need to set this 2D. Texture type. And it might have been here. Rendering transparent. Alpha is transparency. Save. What? Transparent. There you go. Am I forgetting something? Come on. Okay, now I'm gonna create a new material. I think I'm forgetting something. Default 2D array. No, 2D. Oh wait, we imported the wrong thing. That's why. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. We imported the thing without the background. Here it is. Alpha is transparency. Save. Then on here. Transparent. Here we go. Now he has a weird looking face. Okay, turn that down or up. Okay, I don't know why this is kind of slightly see-through. How do we fix that? Oh, I set that to fade and work. Cut it out. Okay, you know what? This is good enough. Alright, so here's our player model. We need to make it the right size and stuff. And then Toby and Doom are testing in VR. He was way too big. Okay, so I want to make it like the actual correct like size of both the head and body. But we also need to make sure it doesn't like the face isn't in like the way of the camera. So we need to make it like this size. Like this. Something like that's good. Then I need to move the player like way back. Alright. Hand L. Well, we need a prefab unpack completely here. Hand L. So go to left hand. Transform. Okay, you know what? I think that kind of messed it up. That did not work. Okay, we're gonna... His hand's so weird. Hmm? Yeah. Alright, so I think we're ready to test it on PC. I don't know if this player model will work fully. We might have to do something. Oh, yep, I forgot to do something. So we forgot to put it all under head. So basically, what is it? I need to make sure it actually is in the head. So I need to take Galagal and then put this under head so it follows your head. There, that's all. I'm hoping the hands don't have issues because of the origin. Oh. Actually, hands look pretty good. Why can't we see anything? Okay, you know what? I think there's something wrong with the face, so I'm gonna try moving it back. Yeah, so. Okay, you know what? We need to copy component. Anyways, how does he look when the camera looks around? Okay, you know what? This is what the player will see. Ah! Okay, there is a small issue that you're completely blinded because on how fat the player model is. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna move him back a little. Something like this should be good. Let's also quickly make a mirror, or well, first I'm gonna save. We just added a bunch of photon stuff. Alright, so far this is going pretty good. Well, we're gonna need to test multiplayer, and I can't really stream my VR, so I'm gonna have to like download an APK onto one of my other headsets and then play test it. I'm gonna have to play test it. One of us will have to play test on here. The other is on the APK so we can see if multiplayer fully works. Anyways, I need some materials. I don't know, that would be like black or something. Skybox actually looks really pretty. I think usually with all my other games I use like a Star Knight skybox or something. Make this super small. Okay, create render texture. Oh wait, we need to create a camera for this. Camera. Need to turn on gizmos so we can see it. Wait, to make it a little easier to see, I'm just gonna apply yellow on here. Okay, no, never mind, black. It's super hard to see this. Need to put it at the right spot. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is, for some reason, all messed up. Oh wait, is this actually correctly flipped? I think it is. Okay, you know what, that actually looks pretty good. Turn off gizmos. I'm actually gonna take this 500, 500. You know what? Materials here. New render texture. How's that mirror look? I think it looks pretty good. Oh, now it's super shiny. Just turn this down here. Okay, I'm gonna test if the mirror works real quick. Oh my god, our Glaggle is still too fat. I have to move him back even more. Alright, let's go see. Oh, the mirror looks super good. Oh wait, it looks like we have a nose. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't think I said this, but this I added a cell shader effect on him, so that's why he has like a black outline. It looks really cool. Now, well, Toby would be about to test it out, but he's still so fat that... Oh, wait. Well, actually, now it seems to be working. I think it was just because my hands were in the way. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the model's good now. He's really big. Anyways, look at how cute he is. After I finished the model, I realized this kind of just looks like a knockoff of that one GameCube Runners, which literally has, like, a cube as a player. Okay, wait. I want to make sure I don't spoil my app ID. It's giving me a bunch of errors because... Here, wait. I need to do something real quick. Okay, I might change out my Photon app IDs because I might have accidentally showed it while looking at the errors. That should be fine though. I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh yeah, here, camera. I need to remove audio listener. Alright, Toby, are you ready to test it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go test it. Be right back. I need to go get my VR so Toby can go in the game. Alright, I'm back. We're gonna test out. Well, Toby's gonna test it out. He does all the testing and stuff. Okay, Toby, you in?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you have? You have hands. Here, can you see everything good? Here, sit down.
I need laggy.
Oh yeah, it might be a bit laggy.
My head floating.
Your head's floating.
Okay.
Here, Toby, what do you think of the player model? Is he too big? No. Player model seems to work. Okay, wait. Here, Toby, I'm gonna go on real quick so I can test it out. I don't need to see it. That's fine. Let's see what I see. Okay, I mean, it's a bit laggy. Oh, I actually feel like a good size. I thought I would be really big, but no.
No, about why?
Here, wait, I wanna test this out. My hands actually feel like the perfect size.
No,
Okay, wait. Bonk. feel like a good size. I got face. Yeah, everything seems to work pretty well. Alright. I'm back. I was testing out the player model. You're actually like a really good size in game. Alright, does anyone have any ideas for what we should add? Toby wants me to add a secret sticky note behind the mirror that says Toby is a moderator. Should we do that? Yeah, Toby, I'm gonna stop the game. Toby? Okay, I think I'm gonna end this stream because I don't really know what else to add for now. So I'm gonna end the stream, I guess. Bye-bye.